Hey guys, we've got our pate au choux ready to go and we're ready to pipe some eclairs. I've got this nice star tip on my piping bag. You don't need one unless you would like a little texture on your eclair. I'm gonna fold my piping bag up over my hand. Fill it with this nice pate au choux dough. If you're making pate au choux and you want to do cream puffs and eclairs at the same time, it's totally fine. You can even reuse your parchment paper when you bake them. I'm going to fill this as full as I can. If you want, you can press that batter in there so you can keep filling it up. If you get an air bubble, it will be really annoying during piping, so try to prevent air bubbles as you go. I want to make sure I get as many eclairs as possible. Okay, we're gonna make these about 3 1/4 inches long and leave a little space in between. You just want them to all be the same size. Nice straight line, come back up like that. I'll pipe this guy a little thicker. If you want thicker, just squeeze a little more. And again, you just want to keep them about the same size so they bake the same. All right, these are ready to go in the oven. We're gonna put them in the oven at about 425 for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna reduce the temp to 375 and bake them until they're just brown and crisp. I would say this guy's a little thin for me. I'm still gonna bake them up just so we can eat on something. But these guys are gonna be nice and thick. Like I said, they will rise not too much, but they'll get really poofy and tall. That's what we're looking for. So I'm gonna definitely give you a view of what I think brown and crisp is nice for pate au choux, and you bake it to your specifications too. If you like it a little under, that's totally fine. If you want it a little darker, that's fine too. We're gonna decorate these guys with chocolate ganache and fill them with the vanilla pastry cream and get really exciting on the decorations too for you guys. So I hope you really enjoy. Hi guys, so we're back to finish up these eclairs. I want to show you how they came out of the oven. Beautiful and golden brown and lovely, so cute. So what I like to do is you can decorate either side if you'd like. It's very fashionable right now to kind of decorate this side with all these stripes. I'm actually going to turn it over and use this flat side because I want to pipe some beautiful things on the back. So I'm just going to show you. I'm going to take my kitchen shears. I'm just going to go in softly and kind of pull apart the dough. So beautiful. I'm gonna grab one more. Being gentle, but you don't have to worry too much. If it breaks like that, we can always do another little guy. Here we go. Beautiful. So I've got my vanilla pastry cream right here, and I've also made some chocolate pastry cream. All I did was take my vanilla pastry cream and mix in some ganache. Here's some fresh ganache right here, all nice and warm and beautiful and shiny. That's what we're gonna use to top these guys. So I'm gonna do these with some vanilla, very traditional. But I thought it might be fun to do some chocolate as well. So for this guy, I'm just gonna make sure he's totally open and just pipe him to fill. I don't want too much oozing out the side. I'll show you a trick. Beautiful. A traditional eclair is just so delicious. Wanted to make these small so I personally don't have to eat too much. So I'm gonna close this and then I'm just gonna clean that edge off just like that. No big deal. We just don't want that to get any chocolate pastry cream kind of mixed together. Perfect, all right. So now I'm just gonna take a little spoonful of my ganache, nice and shiny. I'm actually going to use the back of my spoon after I get some on here. Just put a little here. And we can just use the back of the spoon to spread this around. You can also use an offset spatula if you'd like, or a knife. I find the spoon is really easy for me. Ooh, yum. So beautiful. All right, and I'm gonna show you some little piping designs we can do on these guys. Once I get some more done, I'll show you some really pretty designs. Right, now that is a pretty little treat, if I do say so myself. I'm gonna eat this and then I'll be back and show you some of the rest of them.